So it's totally up to you. And the most important thing here is to include, and that's the second thing, a contact form. That's really easy. So we click on embed code, and here you have the chance to enter a HTML code, which is very, very easy for building a email list. So I also recommended in one of my videos to use Aweber for building up email lists. So next week or in 2 weeks I will create a separate video on how to set up a email list on Aweber, or at least a contact form. And once you went through the entire process, you got a HTML code at the very end of the process. And it's written there that you can embed the code on your website, on your landing page, wherever. So you would just simply have to copy paste the code and include the code over here. That's very, very easy. So basically a simple standard email list opt-in would pop up. So if you would set it up just with a name and a email address that people have to submit, it would appear somewhere here. You can drag it, of course, wherever you want to, but that's the two things that you should really consider, right? That's the most important thing. So a very short recap. Let me delete this very quickly. So Weebly allows you to build landing pages with a drag and drop system. You have, it's like playing Lego, so you can just drag whatever you want. You can just be creative, add whatever you want to make the website, the landing page, as appealing as possible. Try to keep it simple but also very convincing. So you can add different things, but the two most important things that you should really add is a button. So if someone clicks on it, they get redirected to the actual offer. And the second thing is a opt-in form for an email list. I really recommend you use Aweber. There's on Weebly there's something which allows you to integrate a email list program that they offer. Simply by using this contact form over here. I really don't recommend it. Get Aweber. Aweber is for free the first month, or it's at least $1. Before it was for free, now it's $1. So it's $1 the first month, and I'm sure within 30 days with my program you will earn enough money to cover the occurring fees. So email lists are very important, so I really don't recommend to go for the actual contact form here. Simply drag the embedded code over here, go to Aweber, set up your email form. Once you got your form, just follow the instruction and copy paste the HTML code. It's really simple to do. Paste it here and you will see a custom-made opt-in form will pop up. That's very, very important. So this is really the basic things you have to know. And once you're done, you just simply click here on Publish. So of course I would have to register my domain. So let's say best date USA. So it tells it if the website is available or not. Click on Continue. Select website type. You can use any type. I would choose business since it is your actual business. Click on Continue. You have to verify whatever is written here. and click on Publish My Site, what happens? Your website is published. So if anyone would click on that link, your website would appear. Of course, it doesn't make any sense to click on the link now since I didn't set up the website at all. I just wanted to show you which functions you have. If you don't know how to set up the landing page, how to organize it, there is Google. Google is great. Just enter landing page and dating campaigns or landing page, dating offers. Just check the different designs, look what is appealing, look what sells really well, and then just try to create a similar website. I mean, creativity is definitely key here. It's a really fun process, and I mean, the first website will take you maybe half an hour. The first landing page to create, since it's like with everything in internet marketing. The first time it takes you half an hour, the second time it takes you 10 minutes, and the third time it takes you 1 minute. And the third time you wonder why it took you half an hour the first time, but that's a learning process. So don't stress out if you need a little bit longer. Try to play around with this and, well, just build a great landing page for the offer you want to market. Just really remember the two things. Include an email list form to keep your customers, and include this button somewhere in the middle with a call to action so that if someone clicks on it, the person gets redirected to the actual offer. Okay, awesome. Thanks for watching. This is really the easiest way how to build a landing page. Have fun, it's a really fun process, and as I said before, landing pages are not necessary, but I highly recommend using them. You can really increase your return on investment by 1000%, and especially you can keep the customers and just bomb them with new offers. So if you just keep on running campaigns for 1 or 2 years on Facebook, you can build an email list like in total with 2 million customers. That's really possible. And imagine you have an email list with 2 million people. You just send them your affiliate offers and CPA offers from the beach in Costa Rica or wherever you've built your house, and that's it. So don't let the visitors go. Put in a little bit of effort, and I'm promising you it will just take you a few minutes to set up a really great landing page, and I believe that you can do it. Have fun, and see you in the next video.